Goat, greatest of all time. Someone who is considered the best in a particular field. Example: LeBron James is the GOAT of basketball. Lit. Exciting, fun, or amazing. Example: last night's party was lit. Flex. To show off or brag about something. Example: he's always flexing his new car on Instagram. Salty. Upset or bitter about something. Example: she's still salty about losing the game last week. No cap. No lie, being honest or truthful. Example: that new album is fire, no cap. Sus. Suspicious or shady. Example: why is he acting so sus? He never goes out at night. Bet. Agreement or confirmation, equivalent to okay or sure. Example: are you coming to the party tonight? Bet. Woke. Being socially and politically aware, especially about injustice. Example: she's so woke. She's always posting about social issues. Savage. Someone who is unapologetically blunt or has a strong comeback. Example: did you hear what she said to him? That was savage. Simp. Someone who does way too much for someone they like. Example: he bought her a car after one date. What a simp. Tea. Gossip or juicy news. Example: spill the tea. I want to know what happened at the party. Stan. An overly enthusiastic fan of someone or something. Example: I stan Beyoncé. She's absolutely incredible. Clout. Influence or power, especially on social media. Example: he's just doing it for clout, he doesn't actually care. Ghosting. Suddenly cutting off all communication with someone without explanation. Example: she ghosted me after our first date. Haven't heard from her since. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.